covered till question number 600. Now we will start from question number 601. Let's begin. Question number 601. The August offer was announced in A. 1939, B. 1940, C. 1941, D. 1942. Answer is B. 1940. Question number 602. The Cripps mission came to India in A. 1940, B. 1941, C. 1942, D. 1943. Answer C. 1942. Question number 603. Who was the head of Cripps mission? A. Stafford Cripps, B. Wavell, C. Mountbatten, D. Attlee. Answer is A. Stafford Cripps. Question number 604. The Wavell plan was presented in A. Shimla Conference, B. Round Table Conference, C. Cabinet Mission, D. Cripps Mission. Answer is A. Shimla Conference. Question number 605. The year of Shimla Conference was A. 1943, B. 1944, C. 1945, D. 1946. Answer C. 1945. Question number 606. The cabinet mission came in A. March 1946, B. July 1946, C. August 1946, D. December 1946. Answer is A. March 1946. Question number 607. The cabinet mission consisted of A. 2 members, B. 3 members, C. 4 members, D. 5 members. Answer is B. 3 members. Question number 608. The cabinet mission A. Lord Patrick Lawrence, B. Stafford Cripps, C. A.V. Alexander, D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. Question number 609. The cabinet mission proposed A. Partition of India, B. Grouping of provinces, C. Dominion status, D. Both B and C. Answer is D. Both B and C. Question number 610. The direct action day was observed on A. August 10, 1946, B. August 16, 1946, C. August 20, 1946, D. September 2nd, 1946. Question answer is B. August 16, 1946. Question number 611. The interim government was formed on A. August 15, 1946, B. September 2nd, 1946, C. January 26, 1947, D. June 3rd, 1947. Answer is B. September 2nd, 1946. Question number 612. The first Prime Minister of interim government was A. Gandhi, B. Nehru, C. Patel, D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer is B. Nehru. Question number 613. The last Viceroy of India was A. Wavell, B. Mountbatten, C. Lincoln, D. Irwin. Answer is B. Mountbatten. Question number 614. The Mountbatten plan was announced on A. June 3rd, 1947, B. July 4th, 1947, C. August 14, 1947, D. August 15, 1947. Answer is A. June 3rd, 1947. Question number 615. The Indian Independence Act was passed in A. July 1947, B. August 1947, C. September 1947, D. October 1947. Answer is A. July 1947. Question number 616. India became independent on A. August 14, 1947, B. August 15, 1947, C. January 26, 1950, D. November 26, 1949, D. August 15, 1947. Question number 617. Who became the first Governor General of independent India? A. Rajendra Prasad, B. Mountbatten, C. Nehru, D. Patel. Answer is B. Mountbatten. Question number 618. Who was the first Indian Governor General of India? A. Nehru. B. Rajendra Prasad. C. Rajagopalachari. D. Patel. C. Rajagopalachari. Answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Question number 619. Who was the first president of India? A. Nehru. B. Rajendra Prasad. C. Patel. D. Rajagopalachari. D. B. Answer is B. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 620. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Patel. B. Rajendra Prasad. C. Nehru. D. Bose. Answer C. Nehru. Question number 621. The Constituent Assembly was formed in A. 1945. B. 1946. C. 1947. D. 1949. Answer is B. 1946. Question number 622. The first meeting of Constituent Assembly was held on A. December 9, 1946. B. January 26, 1947. C. August 15, 1947. D. November 26, 1949. Answer is A. December 9, 1946. Question number 623. Who was the temporary president of Constituent Assembly? A. Nehru. B. Rajendra Prasad. C. Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. D. Ambedkar. C. Answer C. Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Question number 624. Question number 624. Who was the permanent president of Constituent Assembly? A. Nehru. B. Rajendra Prasad. C. Ambedkar. D. Patel. D. Answer is B. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 625. Who was the chairman of drafting committee? A. Nehru. B. Ambedkar. C. Patel. D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer is B. Ambedkar. Question number 626. The Constitution of India was adopted on A. August 15, 1947. B. January 26, 1949. C. November 26, 1949. D. January 26, 1950. Answer C. November 26, 1949. Question number 627. The Constitution of India came into effect on A. August 15, 1947. B. January 26, 1950. C. January 26, 1949. D. January 1st, 1950. Answer is B. January 26, 1950. Question number 628. The Constituent Assembly took how many days to frame the Constitution? A. 865. B. 1000. C. 1148. D. 1200. C. 1148. Question number 629. The total number of articles in original Constitution was A. 380. B. 395. C. 400. D. 410. Answer is B. 395. Question number 630. The number of schedules in original Constitution was A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. B. Answer is B. 8. Question number 631. The preamble of Indian Constitution is based on A. American Constitution. B. Objectives Resolution. C. French Revolution. D. Irish Constitution. Answer is B. Objectives Resolution. Question number 632. The Objectives Resolution was moved by A. Nehru. B. Patel. C. Ambedkar. D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer is A. Nehru. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 633. Which country constitution influenced Indian fundamental rights? A. USA B. UK C. France D. USSR. Answer is A. USA. Question number 634. Directive of state policy were borrowed from A. USA B. UK C. Ireland D. France. Answer C. Ireland. Question number 635. The concept of concurrent list was borrowed from A. Canada B. USA C. UK D. Australia. Answer is A. Canada. Question number 636. The parliamentary system of government in India is borrowed from A. USA B. UK C. France D. Canada D. Answer is B. UK. Question number 637. The idea of fundamental duties was borrowed from A. USA B. UK C. USSR D. Ireland. Answer C. USSR. Question number 638. The concept of justice, liberty, equality in preamble came from A. Canada B. USA C. UK D. Australia. Answer is A. Canada. Question number 636. A. France B. UK C. USA D. Ireland. Answer is A. France. Question number 639. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? A. Nehru B. Rajendra Prasad C. Ambedkar D. Patel. Answer C. Ambedkar. Question number 640. Who gave the title Architect of Indian Constitution to Ambedkar? A. Nehru B. Rajendra Prasad C. Patel D. Gandhi. Answer is B. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 641. Who gave the slogan Jai Hind? A. Bose B. Nehru C. Gandhi D. Patel. Answer is A. Bose. Question number 642. Who gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? A. Bhagat Singh B. Bose C. Gandhi D. Tilak. Answer is A. Bhagat Singh. Question number 643. Who gave the slogan Dilli Chalo? A. Patel B. Gandhi C. Bose D. Nehru. Answer is C. Bose. Question number 644. Who gave the slogan Vande Mataram? A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee B. Tilak C. Gandhi D. Tagore. Answer is A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 645. Who gave the slogan Satyamev Jayate? A. Gandhi B. Tilak C. Dayananda Saraswati D. Nehru C. Answer C. Dayananda Saraswati. Number 646. Who gave the slogan Do or Die? A. Gandhi B. Nehru C. Patel D. Bose. Answer is A. Gandhi. Question number 647. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? A. Nehru B. Shastri C. Indira D. Patel. Answer is B. Shastri. Question number 648. Who gave the slogan Garib Hatao? A. Indira Gandhi B. Nehru C. Rajiv Gandhi D. Patel. Answer is A. Indira Gandhi. Question number 649. Who gave the slogan Total Revolution? A. Gandhi B. Jayaprakash Narayan C. Patel D. Bose. Answer B. Jayaprakash Narayan. Question number 650. Who gave the slogan India is Indra, Indra is India? A. Nehru B. Congress Party C. D.K. Baruha C. D. Sanjay Gandhi. Answer C. D.K. Baruha. Question number 651. India's first general election was held in A. 1948 to 99 B. 1950-51 C. 1951-52 D. 1952-53 C. Answer C. 1951-55. Question number 652. The first election commissioner of India was A. Sukumar Sen B. T.N. Sheshan C. K.R. Narayan D. Narayanan D. R.V.S. Perry Sastry. Answer is A. Sukumar Sen. Question number 653. The Planning Commission was established in A. 1948 B. 1949 C. 1950 D. 1951 C. Answer C. 1950. Question number 654. The first 5-year plan 1951 56 to 56 was based on A. Bharat Domar model, B. Nehru Mahalanobis model, C. Gandhian model, D. Keynesian model. Answers A. Bharat Domar model. Question number 655. The main focus of first 5-year plan was A. Agriculture, B. Industry, C. Infrastructure, D. Trade. Answer is A. Agriculture. Question number 656. The second 5-year plan 1956 to 61 emphasized A. Agriculture, B. Heavy industry, C. Transport, D. Education. Answer is B. Heavy industry. Question number 657. The second plan was based on A. Nehru Mahalanobis model, B. Gandhian model, C. Harod Domar, D. Keynesian. Answer is A. Nehru Mahalanobis model. Question number 658. The community development program was launched in A. 1950 B. 1951 C. 1952 D. 1953. Answer is C. 1952. Question number 659. Panchayati Raj was first introduced in A. Rajasthan, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer is A. Rajasthan. Question number 660. The States Reorganization Act was passed in A. 1954 B. 1955 C. 1956 D. 1957. Answer C. 1956. Question number 661. Which commission recommended reorganization of states on linguistic basis? A. Dhar Commission, B. JVP Committee, C. Faisal Ali Commission, D. Sarkaria Commission, C. Faisal Ali Commission. Answer C. Faisal Ali Commission. Question 662. Goa was liberated from Portuguese rule in A. 1958 B. 1960 C. 1961 D. 1962. Answer C. 1961. The Panchsheel Agreement was signed between India and China in A. 1953 B. 1954 C. 1955 D. 1956. Answer is B. 1954. Question number 664. The Non-Aligned Movement (NAM) was founded in A. 1954 B. 1955 C. 1961 D. 1965. Answer C. 1961. Question number 665. Who represented India at first 1961? A. Nehru, B. Shastri, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Patel. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 666. The Indo-China War took place in A. 1960 B. 1961 C. 1962 D. 1965. Answer C. 1962. Question 667. The Chinese invasion of India 1962 occurred during the leadership of A. Patel, B. Nehru, C. Shastri, D. Indira Gandhi. Answer is B. Nehru. Question 668. The Indo-Pak War of 1965 took place during the prime ministership of A. Nehru, B. Shastri, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is B. Shastri. Question 69. The Tashkent Agreement 1960 was signed between A. Nehru and Ayub Khan, B. Shastri and Ayub Khan, C. Indira and Bhutto, D. Vajpayee and Musharraf. Answers B. Shastri and Ayub Khan. Question number 670. Who mediated the Tashkent Agreement? A. USA, B. USSR, C. UK D. China. Answer is B. USSR. Question 671. The Green Revolution in India began during A. Nehru B. Shastri C. Indira Gandhi D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Indira Gandhi. Question 672. The slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan was given by A. Nehru B. Shastri C. Indira D. Rajiv. Answer is B. Shastri. Question number 673. The Indo-Pak War of 1971 led to the creation of A. Nepal B. Bangladesh C. Myanmar D. Sri Lanka. Answer is B. Bangladesh. Question number 674. The Shimla Agreement 1972 was signed between A. Nehru and Ayub Khan B. Shastri and Ayub Khan C. Indira Gandhi and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto D. Rajiv and Zia-ul Haq C. Indira Gandhi and Zafir Khan Ali Bhutto. Question answer C. Indira Gandhi and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Question 675. India conducted its first nuclear test at Pokhran in A. 1972 B. 1973 C. 1974 D. 1975. Answer C. 1974. Question number 676. The nuclear test of 1974 was codenamed A. Smiling Buddha B. Operation Shakti C. Operation Vijay D. Shakti 2. Answers A. Smiling Buddha. Question number 677. The emergency in India was declared in A. 1973 B. 1974 C. 1975 D. 1976. Answer C. 1975. Question 678. The duration of emergency in India was A. 18 months B. 20 months C. 21 months C. C. 21 C. 24 months. Answer C. 21 months. Question number 679. The emergency was declared under which article of Constitution? A. Article 350 B. Article 352 C. Article 356 D. Article 360 B. Article 352. Answer is B. Article 352. Question number 680. Who gave the slogan Total Revolution Against Emergency? A. Gandhi B. Jayaprakash Narayan C. Vajpayee D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is B. Jayaprakash Narayan. Question number 681. The Janata Party came to power in A. 1975 B. 1976 C. 1977 D. 1978. Answer C. 1977. Question number 682. Who became the first non-Congress Prime Minister of India? A. Charan Singh B. Morarji Desai C. E.P. Singh D. Vajpayee. Answer is B. Morarji Desai. Question number 683. Charan Singh became Prime Minister in A. 1978 B. 1979 C. 1980 D. 1982. Answer is B. 1979. Question number 684. Operation Blue Star was conducted in A. 1982 B. 1983 C. 1984 D. 1985. Answer C. 1984. Question number 685. Operation Blue Star took place at A. Jama Masjid B. Golden Temple, Amritsar C. Hazrat Nizamuddin Dargah D. Ajmer Sharif. Answer is B. Golden Temple, Amritsar. Question number 686. Who was the Prime Minister of India during Operation Blue Star? A. Nehru B. Shastri C. Indira Gandhi D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Indira Gandhi. Question number 687. Indira Gandhi was assassinated in A. 1982 B. 1983 C. 1984 D. 1985. Answer C. 1984. Question number 688. Who became Prime Minister after Indira Gandhi? assassination? A. Shastri. B. Rajiv Gandhi. C. B.P. Singh. D. Vajpayee. Answer C. Rajiv Gandhi. Question number 689. The Bofors scandal was associated with which Prime Minister? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Rajiv Gandhi. C. Narasimha Rao. D. Vajpayee. Answer B. Rajiv Gandhi. Question number 690. The Mandal Commission recommendations were implemented in A. 1989. B. 1990. C. 1991. D. 1992. Answer B. 1990. Question number 691. The Prime Minister who implemented Mandal Commission was A. Morarji Desai. B. B.P. Singh. C. Chandrasekhar. D. Narasimha Rao. Answer B. B.P. Singh. Question number 692. The economic reform, liberalization, privatization, globalization were launched in A. 1989. B. 1990. C. 1991. D. 1992. Answer C. 1991. Question number 693. Who was the Finance Minister of India during 1991 reforms? A. Yashwant Sinha. B. Manmohan Singh. C. P. Chidambaram. D. Pranab Mukherjee. Answer B. Manmohan Singh. Question 694. Who was the Prime Minister of India during 1991 economic reforms? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Rajiv Gandhi. C. Narasimha Rao. D. Vajpayee. Answer C. Narasimha Rao. Question number 695. The Babri Masjid demolition took place in A. 1990. B. 1991. C. 1992. D. 1993. Answer C. 1992. Question number 696. The Golden Quadrilateral Highway project was launched by A. Indira Gandhi. B. Narasimha Rao. C. Vajpayee. D. Manmohan Singh. Answer C. Vajpayee. Question number 697. Pokhran. 2 nuclear tests were conducted in A. 1996. B. 1997. C. 1998. D. 1999. Answer C. 1998. Question number 698. The Pokhran tests were code-named A. Smiling Buddha. B. Shakti. C. Operation Vijay. D. Mission Shakti. D. Shakti. Question number 699. The Kargil war between India and Pakistan fought in A. 1997. B. 1998. C. 1999. D. 2000. Answer C. 1999. Question number 700. The Prime Minister of India during Kargil war was A. Narasimha Rao. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Advani. Answer B. Vajpayee. That completed with question number 700. In the next video, we will cover from question number 701. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much to whoever is watching. I catch you in the next one. Alright guys, I'm gonna go now. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. If you find my teaching helpful, do share it with your friends so that more people can learn. Okay then, bye.